I'm Monica Lewis Patrick, and I serve as the president and CEO of We the People of Detroit. We the People of Detroit is an organization that is committed to coalition building and also to the dedication of resources to ensure that residents are able to be informed, they're able to be trained, and they're able to be mobilized to improve their own quality of life. What we know is across the state of Michigan, water rates have actually increased over 40%. When we look at communities like Flint and Detroit, we've seen water rates in Detroit go up over 248%. We've seen the water rates of Flint go up over 320%. And then across the entire state of Michigan, water rates have gone up over 188%. And 200 communities are struggling this very day to afford the water that they need and deserve. Unaffordable water rates and mass incarceration go hand in hand as they both exacerbate poverty. Shutting off water is detrimental to a person's overall mental and physical health. We know firsthand at We the People of Detroit what it looks like to deliver water to a household that cannot flush its toilet, where no one can bathe or properly prepare their food. It is our desire that no person, regardless of any past decisions or mistakes, or even perceptions of mistakes, should have to live without access to water. It's inhumane. It's un-American. Incarcerated people are directly impacted when they don't have access to water that is clean, that's safe. And we know this just from the recent work of those inmates in Genesee County, not just about their own health and wellness, but advocating for their families, their children that weren't locked inside those cells. And they were able, due to just heroic efforts as inmates, to advocate not only for themselves and other inmates, but to advocate for their community in Genesee County, that all the residents and all the children and the elders would have access to water. It's time for Michigan to actually pass legislation that will create equitable, sustainable, and healthy communities. The BREATHE Act shows us that an alternative to mass incarceration exists and can benefit our communities across Michigan. Be a part of the solution.